Hello everyone, this is Nell. Alam ko marami sa inyo are planning to visit Japan around the month of March. So if you're wondering what's the weather like in Tokyo, particularly around the end of March, then watch this video. We were in Japan from March 23 to 30, so I was able to record the weather daily at random times. And I'd like to share it with all of you. Disclaimer lang ha, we all know that the world is going through climate change. And nag-iiba na rin talaga ang weather. So the weather that you may experience in these dates may not be the same sa na-experience namin. Hi guys! Kakarating lang namin dito sa Japan. We're here in Narita. May interview pa. Weather check. 7 degrees. Yeah, we just arrived. Good morning. We are still here in Narita. And in a while, babiyahin na kami going to Tokyo. The weather right now, it's 9 degrees. Medyo malamig. But it's okay. Okay, weather check. We're here in Ueno and it's 14 degrees Celsius. Look what everybody's wearing. A lot of people are still wearing mga puffer jackets and all that. Well, it's still cold. And it's what time is it? 2:04. Okay, we're here in Sensoji Temple and temperature check. It's 14 degrees right now at 4:10 p.m. So there. So I'm eating my soba right now here in Ueno. And right now, umuulan actually sa labas. Okay, temperature is at 13 degrees. There. Good morning, and today is a Monday and it's our Disney Resort day. And to check the weather, it's 7:10 and it's 12 degrees Celsius pero umuulan siya. It's a rainy day today, so magdadala kami lahat ng payong. Okay, bye. So we're here in Tokyo Disney Resort and we'll do a weather check. It's 12 degrees and it's, maambon ngayon dito, so everybody's like wearing umbrella or using an umbrella rather. So it's 12 degrees and it's what? 11:15. Hello, we're still here in Tokyo Disney Sea. Time check, it's 2:46 p.m. Yeah. And it's 12 degrees Celsius. Malamig, maraming tao, umaambon pa rin, and I hope matapos na to in a while. I hope maya-maya tumigil na siya para makalakad-lakad na ako. So we're still here at Tokyo Disney Sea and time check, it's 4:58. 12 degrees Celsius today. So yun pa rin. Hi, and we're here at Family Mart in Ueno. We just came back from Disney Sea Resort. So time check, it's 9:18. Temperature is at 12 degrees. Yun. Good morning. It's day 4 here in Japan. Okay, time check. It's 8:45 in the morning. I just had my breakfast downstairs. And it's 11 degrees Celsius out there. And it's raining actually. Hindi naman sobrang malakas ang ulan. It's just lang, ambon. Okay, bye. Hello, we're here in Shinjuku and as you can see, it's raining. 11:38 in the morning and it's 10 degrees Celsius here in Shinjuku. Bye! Hello! Dito pa rin kami sa Shinjuku and ayan, nakikita nyo umuulan and it's 3:41 p.m. Temperature right now is at 9 degrees. Okay, bye! Hi, it's 6:54 p.m. now here in Tokyo and weather check, it's 7 degrees. So, kakain muna ako. Good morning, it's March 27 and the time is 7:02. and it's 8 degrees, and sabi it's gonna be sunny today. Hopefully, kasi it's been raining the whole day yesterday. Hello, today is March 27. We're here at the Yoyogi Park. And temperature right now is at 14 degrees Celsius, pero malamig. Nagsisisi ako ba't hindi ako nag-puffer jacket.
Wala eh.
Although, naka-layer ako. Tapos, a jacket from GU, pero malamig.
Nasaan ka?
Really. So, hello guys. Andito kami sa Shibuya Scramble. It's 6:09 p.m. and the temperature is at 13 degrees Celsius. So, packet kami ng Shibuya Sky. Hi, it's 10:13 in the evening. Kakauwi lang namin guys sa Shibuya. The temperature is 11 degrees. Malamig. Actually, malamig talaga kasi galing kami sa Shibuya Sky. Lakas ng hangin dun sa taas. So, ito binili ko sa Lawson. Kakainin ko muna ito ngayon. Good morning, everyone. It's day 6 here in Tokyo. It's 8:21 a.m. and it's 9 degrees Celsius. And it says here that it's gonna be cloudy today. Hello, paalis na kami ng Ginza. It's 2:33 p.m. and temperature is at 13 degrees Celsius. Tapos, it's kind of cloudy today. Hi, so I'm here now in Nihonbashi. It's already 3:07 p.m. and it's 13 degrees. Yes, malamig siya kasi mahangin eh. It's 8:33 p.m. and it's our last day here in Tokyo. Temperature is at 12 degrees and tomorrow we'll be going to Narita na in preparation for our departure on Saturday for Manila. So, did it rain today? No, it was just cloudy the whole day. Hi, it's day 7 and we're on our way to Narita. But we're still here, bandang Tokyo. It's 10:11 a.m. and it's 16 degrees Celsius. And as you can see, it's raining. So, hi guys, we're here at the food court of Aeon Mall here in Narita. And time check, it's 1:09 p.m. at 16 degrees Celsius. Ito, in-order kong food dito sa Aeon Mall. Aeon, I don't know. Anyway, it's 1:42 p.m. and temperature is at 18 degrees Celsius. So, hello! Dito na kami sa hotel. And it's 9:10 p.m. And I'm done with packing and getting ready for tomorrow's flight. Temperature right now is 16 degrees Celsius. Actually, halos umulan buong araw. Pero tumigil din siya around 5 p.m. kanina. Good morning. Nakasakay na kami sa shuttle bus going to Narita Airport. It's 5:13 a.m. and the temperature right now is at 11 degrees Celsius. So yan, it's going to be a clear day today. Uwi na kami today. And we're here at gate 21. So that's it. Sana makatulong tong video na to for your future travel to Japan. Sa video na to, I've mentioned many times na malamig na at around 13 to 14 degrees. Pero syempre, baka sa inyo sabihin nyo, ay, hindi naman malamig yun eh. Pero you know what? We all have different body composition. And of course, we have individual differences in sensitivity to cold. And plus the fact that I grew up in the Philippines. So, that says it all. So, hanggang dito na lang. This is Nell. Bye!